Hi, thank you for clicking on this video. It's so great to have you here. So today na page we're gonna use it to this makeup tutorial. So the first step, I carry my spoolie brush, they brush my brow, go up. Then I can carry baking powder, tap put so that it go look dried. Not be say you only look dry, feel dry, so that the brow no go quick clean. Then that's what I'll do. So I can use my brow pencil to start from the upper part of the brow till they draw am. As I they draw my eyebrow, as I they draw like this, so make sure say you not to press the pencil put on so that it go look more natural. Then I'll take my spoolie brush again. I constantly use am till brush am so that it go show you, it should go shine, go look more natural. So then I'll take the brow pencil again to swipe the front like one stroke so that it could be like say hair did that front will just still look more natural, you know, understand, with that line stroke. Then I'll come take my, I do the other one off camera, so I'll come take my early Girl Pro concealer to make sure say I beautify the brow, make it for fine. Start from the middle, you see, and as I take one, can't go the back. Then from the back I can't come front small. Make sure say you follow line well so that you know can't they draw zigzag for your face, you know, understand. So I take another concealer, my shade color, because I don't want to make it look more like, I want to make it look natural. I mean, not going to look like say I be agbero, you know, understand. So I can't just hit one. So I just did one. So look, as I did one, I can't look so nice. So I can't carry my brush to blend the concealer when I use for my high lid. Then I carry small concealer again with that concealer brush. See, swipe the stroke for the front of my brow so that it go look more natural, like line. You know, understand? You go come, people will come to say yes, now your normal hair be that, so at least you know to press pencil put. So then I can't carry my foundation. As you see, my face already clean before I start this video, so I carry my foundation, use am, put up on my face, put my shade, then put another darker one. Then you see this my beauty blender, so I already soak am for water. It's very soft, so that at least you go make sure my makeup, my foundation, they press well for my face. I can't they blend and they blend as I they blend like this. So see if I get, so yeah, they blend see now, see beauty. Even though you know, see as I put small foundation, see how my face they look now flawless. So then I can't do my forehead, I just blend down as I blend down. You know, say I be now, so you supposed to now the key to good makeup now blend. So I say I need to add more foundation so that the coverage go just cover small. So I had the lighter one, the darker foundation, and so I continue blend. I blend my nose, my fine nose. Just they blend blend my forehead to blend down where should be. You see the way I say they blend that, so you're supposed to do one for your face, so that at least step by step you go know how you want to do your makeup carefully. So I can still carry my early Girl Pro concealer. I can they use them for my this thing. Then they conceal my face, my forehead, my nose, then my chin. So I can carry my beauty blender again. You know, see the part I want to use, that slim part I can use and take blend, because there is no way you use the down take blend the guy be. So now this one you supposed to use the upper part take blend, so that it go carve the exact place where you want blend. And so you take one, as I just did one so for my face now, so you supposed to do one so that you know make mistake. I constitute the other parts as I blend well. Then I blend my nose, blend my forehead, blend, yes, I blend everywhere well. Like as I say blend as well, so you're supposed to blend, you need to follow my steps. Then I carry my contour, then I use darker shade of foundation to the contour my face, contour my nose. Should be, you see, because I just want look like a hair Cardi B. Even if say you know look like Cardi B, at least if you know you know like contouring, then you're contouring your nose, but at least contour your cheekbone. So now so I can do Come dey contour my face. See am, make sure say as you dey blend and dey go up, so that your face go dey lifted, like say you like say you do, you understand now, you do touch up for your face now. So na so you go do. Na touch up be this sha. So then you come still blend the chin. Then na so you take the blend am. Then you blend your nose. As you dey blend this thing dey put for your nose, so make sure say you dey blend and dey go up, so that your nose go dey lifted, curve. You understand? So you go just dey like small pointed, like say you do work done on it. So like say you understand now. I know people will go understand pass. Now people will be like say that they always they do this thing surgery till they lift their nose, lift their but you know say makeup na the one of the best. So now so one of the best hats. So then I carry my baking powder. You know, as I take do like this, so that you know look crease. So I can't carry baking powder. First say brush and like say I just they put normal powder for my face. Then before I put enough powder to say bake my face. If I say baking powder, I'm not missing. I don't want to do pancake. So now so I carry the shade, the color of my skin. They say they blend my face. The powder, I carry powder. Say they blend my face. Somehow it's not easy to use pigin. But okay now. So as I come to they blend my face, I come to blend my baking powder, blend my face. Where I put baking powder, they blend down, so that everything could just look nice. So even my nose too, I do am and my forehead I can't do as I don't do am. Shebi you see I can't still carry another this thing contouring powder. This one are the powder, now not be the liquid one. Come they make sure say I just make sure say the nose they define where I can't they use baking powder small one till they bring the nose out more. So I still use that. Shebi you see say I still they do for my cheekbone, but you see say as I they do and so I they always they make sure say I they blend and they go up, so that my face go look more lifted. Then now I they add my blushing powder. So as I they add that now, I know add too much show because no, I know I'll be like masquerade. So I can't add that. Almost see as fine gay. Who don't find oh. So I can't do who don't find you don't need too much makeup, I beg. So right now my lips now. I dey line my lips with lip liner. Just the liner. This time they use brush so if you use pencil, use brush, anyone where you get, make sure say you make good use of it. So then I dey use brown. Then I can still add now liquid though. Then I can still add this thing darker shade, so that at least it could look more pronounced, define. Anyone where you know say you could feel understand. Then I dey put pink lip shadow from my mouth. Then I need to blend. I dey use nude though, but somehow I don't know why it can't look like dark. But I know that they use until they blend my eye. So they blend my eye. But they use nude eyeshadow. They blend down. But somehow I don't know, you'll be like whether not dark or ashes, but it's still fine. Now so I don't spray my face with face spray, makeup spray. So anyhow you still understand the pigin. I consider use the brush they blend my face. So now time for highlighter. If you know understand, shiny. So I can put even put for my nose. You know say my nose can be so pointed, like say mama, I be fine girl. No, you don't need to tell me thank you. So then can't carry my brush because today they blend my forehead, they blend the highlighter, they blend out small, they blend out so you can't find even though say I not even do too much makeup, I find I too far beg. So then I can't use my eyeliner until they line my eye. Who don't find I not even fix eyelashes, so I don't find a beg, I be fine babe right from birth. Now so you supposed to look. more beautiful if you try this tutorial. So now, so not gonna go the draw masquerade for face. Right now na the finished look we do, and I use lip gloss when I make my lips they shine. So now, so if you get any question, drop am down at the comment section so that I'll feel reply you or even make video about it, so that you will know how we go take help ourselves for this makeup industry. So now, so thank you very much for watching this video. I don't speak English. Thank you very much for you to watch this video till the end. I really appreciate, and bye bye yo. We will see you next time now when I upload another video. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.